Welcome to part 2 of the Unit 4 notes. I ran out of time on the last video, so let me go ahead and finish up the last few slides on this one. Philosophy, valued emotion, spontaneity, imagination, order, reason, analysis, etc. We talked about this in the last slide. They're really dramatic. So romantic poets wrote about personal experiences, often using simple, unadorned language. They more or less kept it real, based on, where they lived, what they did, etc., what they saw on the street. You get what I'm saying. Many romantic poems celebrate the beauty and grandeur of the natural world. Romantics rejected the forces of industrializations that were beginning to transform Europe and tended to idolize the distant past. They loved this idea where people could just go outside and you took a walk in the garden and that, people had free time and you could read and enjoy nature, etc., as opposed to the industrialized world where people are go, 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 always working, more similar to what we have in society today, actually. They also look to nature for inspiration and insight into their creative process. Like the American Romantics, British Romantics looked towards nature for ideas, which is where many creative people still come up with their ideas today. Now, analyzing imagery. When we're talking about imagery or language that creates a vivid sensory experience for the reader, we're not just talking about visual imagery, which is anything that appeals to the sense of sight. However, it is the most common use of imagery. There are others. So anything that appeals to a sense of hearing, touch, smell, taste is imagery, and it's used to deepen the reader's understanding of connection to their works. The better the imagery is in a text, the easier it is for us to relate to it. So that wraps up our notes. I hope you guys, found this really useful. If there's anything that you don't understand, feel free to go back and listen to me explain it again. You should have been stopping this video to take your notes, but, to each their own. All right, guys, have a great Thursday.